Hello dear students, 12th standard, statistic part 1, chapter number 2, linear correlation. First part total 4 chapter and second part 5 chapter, total 9 chapters. The linear correlation in 11th standard only for one single attribute related information is collected. मैंने क्या बोला बताया बता चैप्टर में एक attribute related information only for x. In 12th standard, two related variables are collected. One is depending, other is independent variable. One variable cause, other is effect. Okay? So we have studied the characteristics of only one variable in the chapter of measure of central tendency, dispersion, skewness, whatever in 11th standard. So where our study was restricted to the distribution of one variable, single variable related information. But many situations arise in which it is desirable and necessary to study two or more variables at a time. Remember that a situation, a condition will be right. Okay, more than one attributes are collected. Okay, correlated. Suppose income and expense, two variables are correlated. Clear? Advertisement expense and profit, sales, more than one attribute are correlated. For example, if we study the yearly sale of product of company, company yearly production we would also like to know its profit as from that we can find the nature and degree of relation between these two variables, sales of product and profit. આપણે sales ની તો વાત કરી પણ એની સાથે સાની વાત કરીશું profit. એ કંપનીનો profit શું છે યાર? The two correlated variable, one is sale of product and other is profit. The yearly rate of and rate of rise is same. Some extent સુધી વરસાદ increase થાય તો production બી શું થશે? rate of profit whatever increase થશે. rainfall decrease, so production is decrease. Price and demand for an item, same example, price and demand. Price increase, demand decrease. Price decrease, demand increase. Okay, law of demand. Okay, economics में तो study करें left standard. Income and expenditure of family, same example, income and expenditure. तो कोई family income more हसे, तो expenditure भी more हसे. Income decrease થઈ જશે તો automatically expenditure भी decrease. Means income high, expenditure high. Income decrease, expenditure also decrease. Height of father and height of his son, general common situation में એવું માને કે બધા એ જે father ની height વધારે હોય ને તેના son ની भी height શું હોય more હોય. Father ની height ઊંચી હોય તો son ની भी height, એટલે height of son and height of father, it is the two correlated variable. Age of husband and age of wife, તો એવું તો નહીં કે husband ની age હોતે wife ની ઊંચી થાય કે husband ની ઊંચી થાય wife ની ઊંચી થાય. Not possible. Both are increased. Or somewhere no example where we see the relation between pair variable. Okay, pair variable means two variable. Similarly, we come across many situations in which two variables are related. ઘણી situation ઘણી condition બરાબર છે problems like more than one variable, the maximum two variable be possible, three be possible, but first standard માં આપણે two variable related information collect. Not given the 1, 2 and 3 variable, not important for your examination. Second of point, meaning and definition of linear correlation. Okay, meaning and definition. Meaning શું છે? તો meaning સમજવા માટે પહેલા cause and effect means depending variable and independent variable. એ સમજવું important. Okay? Let's first understand the meaning of correlation. What is correlation? We know that in many situations simultaneously changes are seen in the variable two variable. The simultaneous changing in the value of two variables are mainly due in following reasons. બરાબર તે વેલ્યુ ઓફ વેરિયેબલ છે એમાં ચેન્જીસ થવાના મેઇન રીઝન શું છે તો મેઇનલી ટુ રીઝન is given. First, there is a cause effect relation between two variables. First reason શું છે કે both variable between cause and effect તો કોઈ રિલેશન છે cause and effect. And second situation, the value of two variables change due to the effect of some other factors. બીજું એવું કહે છે કે value of variable is some other factors is effect. There is on a demand and supply. બધાને જે rules ને રેગ્યુલેશન સ્ટડી કરે some other factors ને affect હોય. But same એ જ વસ્તુ કીધું છે the value of two variables relation between two variable first okay cause and effect and second due to some other બરાબર છે factors are affected. In case of yearly rainfall and yield of rise of season. First the previous example हम starting में આપી okay rainfall and rise okay yield of rise તો શું થશે some extent જ્યાં સુધી rainfall વરસાદ increase થશે rise is also increase limits to some extent and rainfall decrease rise is also decrease. Example is so cause and effect बराबर है one is a cause other is effect. Usually if rainfall increase up to some extent yield of rise is also increase okay and if rainfall is decreased so yield of rise is also decrease okay one variable increase another is also increase first variable decrease second is also decrease. So rainfall is a cause and yield of rise is effect means independent variable છે freely તો rainfall is free કોઈની પર depending નથી ગમે ત્યારે okay so rainfall એ શું થઈ ગયું તમારું cause independent variable and yield of rise is depending on rainfall. rise કોની પર depending છે rainfall પર કે વરસાદ વધારે થાય rainfall increase rise is also increase rainfall decrease rise is also decrease so one variable depending in other so here yield of rise is depending on rainfall so rainfall is an independent variable also known as a cause and yield of rise is depending variable is also known as effect like one variable is cause and other is effect like first variable ની second variable પર શું થાય effect okay rainfall increase decrease થાય તો એની second effect સાની પર થાય second variable પર so effect is બરાબર rise is increase or decrease here cause and effect freely independent means cause and depending variable is also known as the effect. Similarly when the income of person remains more or less same if his expenditure increase saving decrease and if his expenditure decrease saving is increase. Another example given here because family on any income the monthly income is stable is same 10,000 20,000 15,000 5,000 okay stable same હવે any effects શું થશે તો first effect expenditure increase saving automatically decrease 5,000 માંથી જો 4500 expenditure કરે તો 500 rupees saving થાય another words expenditure increase saving is increase now suppose each family 4,000 rupees ના expenditure કરે તો saving શું થશે 1000 એનો meaning શું થયો expenditure increase decrease saving is increase decrease expenditure increase saving decrease expenditure decrease saving increase so other okay opposite direction increase one variable increase another decrease one variable decrease another increase first example was so rainfall and yield of rise now both variable increase or both variable decrease same direction here opposite direction so here expenditure is the cause and saving is the effect okay saving body by depending on expenditure increase by the saving automatically decrease and expenditure is decrease saving increase so saving depending on expenditure. Next the changes in two variable in the above two example indicate cause effect relation okay and both examples શું છે cause effect related છે જે આપણે ક્લિયરલી ખ્યાલ આવે correlation means the cause and effect relation between two variable. Sometimes both the variable may be mutually dependent and therefore neither can be specifically said as cause and other effect. ઘણા એવી સિચ્યુએશન એવી કન્ડિશન એવો પ્રોબ્લેમ ક્રિએટ થાય જે આપણે ડિસાઈડ ન કરી શકીએ which variable is depending or independent cause and effect ડિસાઇડ જ ન કરી શકે ફર્સ્ટ વેરિયેબલ સેકન્ડ ફર્સ્ટ પર ડિપેન્ડિંગ છે ઓકે generally it happen in case of economic variable અને આવી સિચ્યુએશન ક્યાં ન મળે economic variable માં કે જ્યાં આપણે ડિસાઇડ ન કરી શકીએ કે which variable is cause and effect for example demand and supply best example for cause and effect which variable cause and which variable effect demand supply પર depending છે supply demand પર depending not possible આપણે clearly indicate ન કરી શકીએ which variable cause and other is effect if demand increase it is necessary to increase supply demand increase થાય તો automatically supply increase થાય which is not always possible instantly એવું ના બને સપ્લાય આપણે ઇન્સ્ટન્ટલી કે જોઈએ તરત ઇન્સ્ટન્ટલી શું થઈ જાય મળી જાય સપ્લાય પોસિબલ જ નથી ઇન્સ્ટન્ટલી ઓકે and when supply increase price tend to decrease and because of that demand goes up the supply increase થાય automatically market માં price decrease price decrease થાય automatically demand શું થઈ જાય goes up increase થઈ જાય હવે અહીંયા આપણે ડિસાઇડ ન કરી શકીએ ડિમાન્ડ સપ્લાય પર ડિપેન્ડિંગ છે કે સપ્લાય ડિમાન્ડ ઉપર ઓકે thus demand and supply are interdependent variables that is interdependent variables underline words okay cause and effect both are not possible which variable are depending or independent cause or effect okay it is called interdependent variable the age of husband and age of wife is also an example of same situation okay age of husband and age of wife same example એવું નથી કે husband ની age increase થાય wife ની भी increase થાય husband ની બરાબર છે wife ની increase થાય husband not possible આપણે decide જ ન કરી શકીએ it is called interdependent variable okay in case of sale of raincoat and sale of rain suit the value of both the variable increase in monsoon raincoat ની વાત કરે કે suit ની વાત કરે બરાબર monsoon માં both ક્યારે increase થાય monsoon ની season વરસાદની season બંને શું થાય increase demand એક નો વધી જાય માર્કેટ raincoat and rain suit there is no direct cause and effect relation here between two variables but the changes in the sale of raincoat and rain suit are observed due to the presence of third variable namely the monsoon both variable બરાબર raincoat પરની વાત કરીએ rain suit ની વાત કરીએ કે બીટી કોઈ રિલેશન જ નથી બટ બંનેની પ્રાઇસ એક જ સીઝન બરાબર છે મોન્સૂનની સીઝન આવે બંનેની પ્રાઇસ શું થઈ ગઈ ઇન્ક્રીઝ like third variable are here indirect this is an example of indirect cause and effect relation આ શું છે indirect cause and directly નથી two variable between કોઈ relation but third party okay third variable include થયું એટલે first second and third relation it is called બરાબર છે indirect cause and effect relation between two variables okay raincoat and rain shoes third party કયો નહીં third variable monsoon clear now next after discussing the example of the relation between two variables we can define correlation as okay આની સિચ્યુએશન પરથી આપણે ખ્યાલ આવે કે correlation ડેફિનેશન શું બને તો એક ડાયરેક્ટલી કોઈ વેરિયેબલ ઇફેક્ટ કરતો હોય કે ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી વેરિયેબલ ઇફેક્ટ કરતો બટ ટુ વેરિયેબલ નો મિનિમમ direct relation or indirect cause and effect relation between two variables it is called correlation simple definition thing if there are simultaneous changes in the value of two variables okay simultaneous changes in the value of two variables due to direct or indirect cause and effect okay value of variable but your relation ની વાત કરીએ direct or indirect cause and effect then it is said to be correlation between two variables okay so we do similar due to changes of two variable cause and effect direct or indirect कोई भी relation हो सके बराबर is it called be said correlation another word the correlation is said to be a linear correlation correlation ini આપણે શું કહીશું linear correlation if the point plotted on the graph paper corresponding to the order pair of the value of two correlated variables are on a line or near to the line okay okay graph को આપણે ડ્રો કરીએ સપોઝ આ રીતનો ગ્રાફ છે and all point plotted in line or near to line the value of two correlated variables have nearly constant. No constant proportion में increase or decrease होता है, same constant proportion. Then we can say that there is linear correlation. Suppose हमने क्या है इकोनॉमिक्स में लास्ट ईयर में स्टडी करी है प्राइस 2 रुपीस, ओके सपोज डिमांड 15, प्राइस 4 रुपीस, इंक्रीज 2 रुपीस, डिमांड डिक्रीज 40, प्राइस 6, demand is 30. It means here constant proportion, check it, 2 rupees increase or decrease, so constant proportion is 10 unit item increase or decrease. Constant proportion, price will be constant proportion and demand is also constant proportion. Okay, means આ વસ્તુ અહીંયા કહેવા માંગે છે constant proportion માં increase or decrease થાય demand and price. Now next, generally exact linear relation exists in natural science like mathematics and physics. Okay, exactly correlation તમારે ચેક કરો તો ક્યાં જોવા મળે તો સાયન્સ માં. Okay, means natural science and mathematics, physics, because of change in one variable the value of other variable change in constant proportion. Okay, mathematics and physics માં constant proportion mainly જોવા મળે. Constant proportion માં increase or decrease થાય price. આ વસ્તુ મેં કીધું તમને ડિમાન્ડ એન્ડ સપ્લાય ની વાત. આ વસ્તુ ફિઝિક્સ એન્ડ મેથેમેટિક્સ ના રૂલ્સ માં જોવા મળે. one unit increase decrease opposite side same constant proportion increase or decrease. One example is given radius and circumference. We know that if the radius of circle is r unit and its circumference is 2 pi r, r and 2 pi r is given, so when radius is multiplied by 2, the 2 pi na constant માં multiply થાય છે. Table is given, then we get circumference. So આપણે circumference શું મળે છે 2. Suppose first is given 2, so circumference 4 pi. Okay, 2 means 4 pi. 4 pi is given. Next, radius is 3. 3 to the 6 pi is given. Next 5. Next 10, 20. Okay, check it. 4 by 2 means one radius is equal to 2 pi. Clear? Here 2 radius, so 2 to the 4, 3 radius, 3 to the 6, 5 radius, 5 to the 10, 10 radius, 10 to the 20. It is called constant proportion. The two variable due to changes in a constant. Another word called is linear correlation. Second example is also given. Time taken by an object travel and is distance traveled by an object at constant speed. Okay, constant speed, constant is equal speed में कोई travel गाड़ी की बात करें. Time taken by object to travel, the distance and travel by an object. कोई सेम कांस्टेंट स्पीड માં કોઈ ટ્રાવેલ વાળા ગાડી છે અને ઓબ્જેક્ટ કરે છે કે શું કેટલો ટાઈમ કેટલા કિલોમીટર થાય. If an object is traveling at the speed of 50 km per hour, then the distance traveled it is a constant proportional to time taken to travel. Okay, 50 km per hour ની સ્પીડ માં કોઈ ટ્રાવેલ ગાડી જાય. The table is given, so 2 km 2 hour 2 hour 50 kilometers is 2 hour now 50 to the 100 kilometer hours. Next 3 hours 50 kilometer speed, 5 is the 150 kilometer travel. 6 hour, so 6 5 the 30 300 kilometer. And 10 hour, so 10 is the 5 the 500. Okay, 10 into 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड में ट्रैवल करे છે 2 hours માં કેટલા 100, 3 hours માં 150, 6 hours માં 300 and 10 hours માં 500. कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन જે વાત કરી આપણે મેથેમેટિક્સ એન્ડ ફિઝિક્સ બરાબર સાયન્સ અને મેથેમેટિક્સ અને ફિઝિક્સ છે આ કાંસ્ટેंट પ્રોપોર્શન જોવા મળે પણ કોમર્સ ફિલ્ડમાં પોસિબલ નથી કે કાંસ્ટેंट પ્રોપોર્શન માં તો એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે લીધું છે બરાબર છે કે પર ડિમાન્ડ એન્ડ પ્રાઇસ બટ નોટ પોસિબલ એ સિચ્યુએશન પોસિબલ જ નથી માર્કેટ માં. ઓકે, now next generally in commerce, economics and social science. કીધું ને commerce, economics and social science, the changes in the value of two variable are not constant proportion. Constant proportion में increase possible જ નથી. commerce, economics and social science field માં આ વસ્તુ possible નથી. science માં possible છે, એ બી mathematics, physics માં. commerce માં, economics માં કે social science માં આ વસ્તુ possible નથી કે constant proportion માં increase થાય. it is not possible. For example, if rainfall in a current year increased by 10% for the two consecutive years as compared to the previous year. Last 2 year ની comparison માં આપણે એમ કહીએ કે current year માં 10% rainfall increase થયો હશે. બરાબર, 10% last 2 year consecutive years ના comparison માં 10% અત્યારે increase થયો. Okay? It is not necessary that it also increase in the same proportion for the both year. અને એ proportion માં આપણે એમ કહીએ કે yield of crop increase થવું જોઈએ. It is not possible. Possible જ નથી કે yield of crop એ સિચ્યુએશન માં જે કન્ડિશન માં 10% રેટ પર ઇન્ક્રીઝ થયો છે, yield of crop બી લાસ્ટ ટુ કન્ઝેક્યુટિવ યર ની કમ્પેરિઝન માં 10% ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય કે જે કોઈ પ્રપોઝલ નથી. It is not possible. It possible નથી. This is because of the variables rainfall and yield change under the effect of some other factors. આપણે કીધું ને rainfall and yield of crop some other factor, ઘણા બધા factors પર ડિપેન્ડિંગ હોય. બરાબર, and hence there is an element of chance in this changes. અને chance પર ડિપેન્ડિંગ છે. મે બી પોસિબલ ફેવર માં આવી ગયું તો yield of crop increase થઈ જાય, not favor yield of crop decrease. એટલે chance પર ડિપેન્ડિંગ કે ભાઈ one more chance, કોઈ મિસ્ટેક થઈ કોઈ સામે કે સર more one chance. ઓકે, આ વસ્તુ અહીંયા પોસિબલ છે. તો more chance પર ડિપેન્ડિંગ છે. નેક્સ્ટ, so in such cases, the point of order pair of two correlated variables may not be on line, but they may be almost near to the line. આવી સિચ્યુએશન માં જે આપણે કીધું ને all point line પર આવી ગયું and now here, એટલે all point plotted in line or near to line. We shall study the linear correlation in this chapter. Now we shall refer linear correlation is only correlation. Linear correlation now આપણે only for words use કરીશું correlation. So first, there are mainly two types of correlation. Mainly two types of correlation. So mainly two types of correlation: positive correlation and negative correlation. Types of correlation, two types of positive or negative correlation. Short question MCQ માટે important છે. And second is negative correlation. Okay. In previous all example classified to mainly two types of correlation: positive or negative correlation. Okay. Age of husband and age of wife. Which type of correlation? Positive or negative? So positive. Both are increase. Clear? Expenditure of family and saving of family. Expenditure increase, saving decrease. Expenditure decrease, saving increase. Opposite direction means negative correlation. ये example આપણે જોઈએ, બધા જ example આપણે mainly two types of correlation classify કરીશું: positive and negative. Rainfall and yield of crop. Rainfall increase, yield of crop is also increase. Rainfall decrease, yield of crop decrease means positive correlation. Clear? When the changes in the value of two correlated variables are in the same direction, underline word same direction, both the variable changes in the same direction, the correlation between them it to be positive. It type of positive, both variable are increasing. For example, the price and supply of an item. Price and supply. Price increase, so supply also increase. Price decrease, supply also decrease. Age of husband and age of wife both increase. Number of vehicles and number of accident on a road. Okay, જેટલે vehicles increase થાય, number of accident भी increase થાય. Okay, means number of vehicle increase, accident is also increase. Sell and profit of an item. Sales increase, profit also increase. Sales decrease, profit decrease. Same direction. Rainbow and rate of crop in a region are some example of positive correlation. For the example, positive correlation. Both variable we do in same direction. Okay. Second, negative correlation means opposite direction. One variable increase, other decrease. When the changes in the value of two correlated variables are opposite direction, underline words opposite direction, the correlation between them is said to be negative type of correlation. For example, the correlation between price and demand of an item. The price and demand example is price increase, demand decrease, price decrease, demand increase. So price and demand example of negative correlation. Expenditure and saving of person. Okay, expenditure and saving. हमारा बात करें expenditure increase, saving decrease. Expenditure decrease, saving increase. Means opposite direction. Minimum day temperature and sale of woolen cloth in winter. Okay, temperature जो down आ जाए, बराबर? Minimum. तो cloth में winter में सुधर जाए, increase दे जाए. Temperature decrease, तो automatically सुधर जाए, increase. The opposite direction. वधी जाए तो બોલનું શું છે ડિમાન્ડ વધી જશે ઘટી જાય તો એટલે ટેમ્પરેચર શું છે તે દિવસનું એ મેઇન્ટેન altitude and amount of oxygen in air of some example. Okay, કોઈ भी તમે હાઈટ પર જાઓ એટલે ઓક્સિજન ઓટોમેટિકલી શું થઈ જશે ઓછું જેમ જેમ પાછળ તમે સમજ ટેમ્પરેચર આવી એટલે ઓક્સિજન કંટ્રોલમાં આવી એટલે એ બી શું છે ઓપોઝિટ ડાયરેક્શન. Next, third point, correlation and coefficient of correlation. Okay, correlation and correlation of coefficient of correlation. Both words are different. Correlation and coefficient of correlation. We have already discussed the meaning and defining of correlation in a previous section. Now let's understand the correlation coefficient as explained. Okay, correlation की बात हमने कर दी थी यहाँ से. To finish. Okay, can you do some changes in a variable, direct or indirect? It is called correlation. Okay, in other words, all the point plotted in graphic or in a single line or near to line, it is called correlation. But coefficient of correlation, the measure of the strength of a linear correlation between two variables is called the correlation coefficient. Underline words, measure of the strength. The measure of strength શું છે correlation માં? It is called coefficient of correlation. It is denoted by R. In full chapter, correlation is also denoted by R. The correlation coefficient is a numerical measure of correlation which is show the strength or degree of the linear correlation between two correlated variables. Underline numerical measure. Okay, short question MCQ માં પૂછાય છે which type of the numerical measure of correlation which show the strength or measure between two correlated variables. The measure was first suggested by Carl Pearson. Underline correlation. Okay, suggested by Carl Pearson. Which person suggested by Carl Pearson? Short question of MCQ. So Carl Pearson, correlation suggested by Carl Pearson. Next, method of studying correlation. In this chapter, mainly three methods studying correlation. First, the graphical method. Second is the Carl Pearson, means product movement method. And third, Charles Spearman, it means rank correlation method. Mainly three methods studied in this chapter. So short question, the mainly three methods, scatter diagram, Carl Pearson, it means product movement method, and Charles Spearman means rank correlation method. First is the scatter diagram method. First method, number 1, scatter diagram. Second, number 2, Carl Pearson. Product movement method. Number 3, Charles Spearman. Rank correlation method. First method, scatter diagram. Scatter diagram में जनरली हम स्टडी करी ना आया है प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड A information graph two variable related information given है graph पेपर पर x axis y axis show करते हैं point plot कर देना check it positive और negative देमा सब part आते हैं positive negative partially positive partially negative and lack of correlation mainly 5 types of scatter diagram study in this chapter. Okay, first scatter diagram. This is a simple method of diagrammatic representation of two related variables to find the nature of correlation. And the nature of correlation find out करवा માટે best and simple method is scatter diagram. This is the most widely used method for determining the nature of correlation. You can underline. Okay, widely used. Most of probably बाबा जे nature of scope find out करवा માટે scatter diagram method use करते हैं. And only for nature of correlation do your positive, negative, whatever, any whatever method is scatter. Moreover, it also gives some idea about the strength of correlation. ये बोलते घड़ी वक्त थोड़ा strength idea आ गया कि strength શું હશે exactly નો કે 0.8 0.5 0.76 0.258 exact नहीं but some idea any degree strength measure of strength near to positive के near to negative એવું ખ્યાલ આવે strength of correlation between two variables. There's some idea of strength of measure of correlation between two variables. क्या मतलब क्या है? Defines the scatter diagram. Suppose two variables means x and y. Any difference there in the diagram of draw करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 9. So x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 whatever God infinity. Okay? So suppose x1 y1 x2 y2 dot x and y are ordered pair of n values of two variable x and y. Okay, and observation છે એટલે આપણે two pair x and y ની given છે इस pair માં શું કરે છે order માં arrange કરે. The value of variable x on x axis and y variable are plotted on y axis graph by taking proper scale. હવે this pair લીધી તો the x variable x axis પર row and y variable y axis ग्राफ पेपर में प्रॉपर स्केल यूज करवाना प्लॉट करेंगे रो में क्या x एक्सिस एंड y एक्सिस ओके नेक्स्ट द ग्राफ शोइंग द प्लॉटेड पॉइंट corresponding to pair ओके અને ગ્રાફ પર જે પેર આકી જો આપણે x1 y1 x2 y2 dot x and y it is called scatter diagram you the difference suppose difference pair is given the x1 y1 x2 y2 dot x and y and are n natural n values of two variables પછી શું વાત કરીએ એમાં તો the value of variable x plotted on x axis and y plotted on y axis on a proper scale જેને શું કર્યું આપણે ગ્રાફ પેપર પ્રોપર શું કરી દીધા પ્લોટેડ and the graph showing the plotted points corresponding to the pair of x1 y1 dot 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 x and yn is called scatter diagram. અને જે સ્ક્વેર ગ્રાફ પેપરમાં આપણે પ્લોટેડ કરીને જે શો કરાઈ છે it is called the scatter diagram. કઈ બધી જગ્યાએ તમે ચાર્ટ ડ્રો કરેલા જોયા સારી રીતના હોય આમ ઇંગ્લિશ શેર માર્કેટમાં જોઈ તો આ રીતના ગ્રાફ બધા હોય એટલે પોઈન્ટ્સ પ્લોટેડ કરેલા હોય ઇંગ્લિશ તો તમે ઓલરેડી ઇન્સ્ટામાં સ્ટડી કરી દીધા છે ગ્રાફ શું કહેવાય. ક્લિયર? So it is called the scatter diagram. The pattern of point of scatter diagram shows the nature or type of correlation and strength of correlation up to some extent. આપણે પહેલા previous point માં વાત કરી સેમ વાત તો એક ગ્રાફ પેપરનો પોઈન્ટ પરથી સ્ક્વેર સ્કોપ નેચર શું છે ખ્યાલ આવે અને સમ idea extend to any strength. Okay, some idea strength to measure two variable. Now let's see how the nature and strength of correlation between two variable can be determined by using scatter diagram. मतलब फर्स्ट ग्राफ given है आई scatter diagram. फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट पॉइंट में स्केल તમે મૂકો એટલે શું થશે all point plotted in single line. Okay, and both variable increase or decrease in same direction. Both variable, first variable increase, another is also increase. First variable decrease, other is also decrease. So same direction. So it is called perfect positive correlation. So meaning is given underline. If all the points of a scatter diagram, okay, all the point of scatter diagram lie on one line, and if line is going upward direction, okay, line is going upward direction, left to right, okay, from left to right, then show the perfect positive. Okay, all points plotted in a single line and positive direction means left to right, upward direction, left to right. Is called the perfect positive. અને જો તમે લાઈન ડ્રો કરો તો બધા જ પોઈન્ટ એક સિંગલ લાઈન પર આવે. So it is called a perfect positive correlation. We get such a scatter diagram taken the changes in the value of two variables are in the some direction and the constant proportion. We take one example to understand this case. Okay, anyone take example में કીધેલું છે કે equal proportion માં જેમ મેં તમને example આપ્યું હતું price and demand 2 rupees. So demand is 50, 4 rupees, so demand is 40 units, 6 rupees, so demand is 30 rupees, 30 units. Means same direction, constant proportion increase or decrease, which is called a perfect positive correlation. One example is given. First, after standard deduction from the total income, 20% income tax is imposed on the remaining income. Okay. 20% income tax count करना है remaining income. The information regarding the taxable income and the tax to be paid is given below for 5%. So 5% related information is given. Okay, and taxable income and income tax is also given. नीचे ग्राफ पे कौन सी बात है? Draw a scatter diagram from this information and discuss about the correlation. આપણે શું કીધું કે diagram draw કરો. અને પછી ડિસાઈડ કરો which type of diagram. અત્યારે આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ નથી કરતા સર. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે diagram ઓકે ગ્રાફ બુક લઈને આવજો એટલે આપણે ડ્રો કરીશું. અત્યારે ખાલી સમજી લો. તો ગ્રાફ એ ઓલરેડી તમારી બુકમાં છે ડ્રો કરો. સેમ ડાયરેક્શન અને લેફ્ટ ટુ રાઈટ બરાબર છે. સેમ ડાયરેક્શન ઓકે upward direction left to right. તો અંદર જો ક્વેશ્ચન એવું છે ઇન્કમ જે છે અને x axis પર taxable income and income tax y axis પર શું proper scale એ બધું આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં તમને ડ્રો કરીશું ગ્રાફ લઈને. ઓકે, તો આની બધી ડિસ્કશન શું કહેવાય which type of correlation perfect positive. ક્લિયર? ક્વેશ્ચનમાં જે વિષયમાં છે આપણે આન્સરમાં ઇકોનોમિક્સ ને પેરેગ્રાફ નથી રાઈટ only for a perfect positive correlation between two variables. બસ એટલો જ આન્સર આવી ગયો. વધારે ગમે. Okay, now next, if all the points of a scatter diagram lie on one line and if the line goes to downward direction left to right, it is called perfect negative correlation. Okay, downward direction left to right, it is called perfect negative. First is a perfect positive diagram, second is a perfect negative diagram. If all the points of a scatter diagram lie on one line, one line, first and last point, બધા points single scale line માં આવી જશે. Okay, and if line goes the downward direction left to right, downward માં જો left to right, is called perfect negative correlation between two variables. Okay, example is given second. To know the relation between monthly expenditure and monthly saving for the middle class family. For middle class family, yani monthly expenditure and monthly saving related information is given. The information regarding expenditure and saving for 5 families is given below. 5 families need income and expenditure, means saving, income, expenditure is given. So monthly expenditure, monthly saving, draw a scatter diagram and indicate the relation between monthly expenditure and monthly saving for this information and discuss about that correlation. Okay, આપણે આ રીતે ડિસ્કસ કરીએ તો અને expenditure increase થાય બરાબર, તો saving automatically શું છે decrease downward direction માં. The first year monthly expenditure, monthly saving. Expenditure ઓછું, saving is increasing. જેમ જેમ expenditure આમ વધતા ગયો and saving should be downward direction. So it is called perfect negative correlation between two variables